Picture this. You're about to jump into your pool after a long day, but there's a layer of leaves floating on top and debris scattered across the bottom. Sound familiar? What if I told you there's a robot that could handle all of that while you sip a cold drink? Today, we're diving into the 5 robotic pool cleaners that are absolutely changing the game in 2025. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, and today we're breaking down the top 5 picks you need to know before you buy. Let's get into it. Whether you've got an above-ground pool in your backyard or a massive in-ground setup, there's a robotic cleaner designed specifically for your situation. We've tested these bad boys in real pools, talked to actual owners, and we're about to save you from making some expensive mistakes. First up is the Gosver Cordless, and here's where things get interesting. This little orange powerhouse is making waves in the budget category, but there's a catch you need to know about. Let me break down what makes this thing special. First, it's completely cordless, no more wrestling with tangled cables or worrying about power outlets. The 90-minute runtime is solid for smaller pools, and at just 7.5 pounds, even my neighbor's grandmother can lift this thing out of the water with ease. The one-click start is pure genius. Literally drop it in, press a button, and you're done. Plus, the self-parking feature means it automatically heads to the pool edge when the battery gets low. Smart, right? But here's the real kicker. It covers up to 860 square feet on a single charge. That's bigger than most above-ground pools. Now, let's talk reality. Customers love the convenience factor. No cords, no complicated setup, just pure cleaning power. One reviewer said it picked up everything from fine sand to larger leaves without breaking a sweat. However, and this is important, this cleaner is designed for flat-bottom pools only. If your pool has any slope or incline, you might find it getting stuck in the deep end like a confused robot vacuum. Some users also reported battery issues after a few months, though Gosver's customer service apparently goes above and beyond to fix problems. Who it's best for? This is perfect for you if you have a flat above-ground pool and you're tired of manual cleaning. You want something simple, affordable, and cord-free without breaking the bank. Think of it as the reliable starter robot that gets the job done. Here's my honest take. The Gosver delivers on its promises for the right pool type. It's not perfect, but for around $150, it's bringing cordless convenience to pool owners who couldn't afford it before. I'm giving this one 3.5 out of 5 stars. It loses points for the flat pool limitation and some reliability concerns, but gains points for being genuinely helpful at an accessible price. But that's not the whole story. Now we're talking about something completely different. The Beta SE. This isn't your typical pool cleaner, and that's exactly why it's genius. Get this. The Beta SE runs on pure solar power. We're talking 24/7 operation without ever plugging it into an outlet. It sits on your pool surface like a futuristic water beetle, constantly skimming leaves, pollen, and debris before they sink to the bottom. The twin salt chlorine tolerant motors are built to last. And with over 30 hours of continuous cleaning on a single charge, this thing literally works while you sleep. The wireless remote control lets you steer it manually when needed, and the large debris basket means less frequent emptying. What really impressed me is the ultrasonic radar technology. It actually detects obstacles and navigates around them intelligently. Customers are absolutely raving about this thing. One reviewer said it completely eliminated their daily skimming routine and their pool has never looked cleaner. Since it prevents debris from sinking, you'll actually need to vacuum your pool bottom way less often. The UV-resistant materials mean it can handle harsh sun without degrading, and honestly, watching it glide across your pool is oddly satisfying. Now for the reality check, this is a surface skimmer only. It won't clean your pool floor or walls. Also, on cloudy days with no sun, its performance drops significantly, and the original models weren't compatible with saltwater pools, though they fixed that. Who it's best for? You're the perfect candidate if you're tired of constantly skimming debris, and you want something that works around the clock. If you live somewhere sunny and you're dealing with lots of leaves, pollen, or bugs falling into your pool, this is your new best friend. The Beta SE is doing one job exceptionally well: surface cleaning, and for that specific task, it's absolutely crushing it. I'm giving this 4.5 out of 5 stars. It's not a complete pool cleaning solution, but as a surface skimmer, it's practically unbeatable. The solar power alone makes it worth considering. And what happened next might surprise you. The Starrybot is promising to clean any pool shape for 150 minutes straight. That's a bold claim, so we had to dig deeper. This robot is packing some serious specs. The 150-minute runtime is among the longest we've seen, and the 900 square foot coverage means it can handle pretty much any residential pool. The Smart Edge navigation automatically parks it at the pool wall when cleaning is complete, and the universal compatibility means round, oval, rectangular, it doesn't matter, it adapts. What's cool is the cordless design with actual intelligent path planning. Unlike some budget cleaners that just bounce around randomly, this one follows a systematic cleaning pattern. The transparent body design isn't just for looks. You can actually see when the debris basket is full without opening it up. Users love how thoroughly it cleans and the fact that it actually covers the entire pool systematically. One customer said after trying several expensive corded models, this cordless option finally left their pool spotless. The long battery life means fewer interruptions, and customers appreciate how easy it is to retrieve with the included hook. But here's where it gets tricky. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Now, back to the Starrybot. Several users reported charging issues after just a few uses. Some units stopped holding a charge entirely, which is obviously a major problem. There are also complaints about it struggling on sloped pool bottoms and getting stuck in deeper areas. Who it's best for? This could be your solution if you have a uniquely shaped pool that other cleaners struggle with. You want cordless convenience with longer runtime, and you're willing to take a chance on a newer brand for potential savings. The Starrybot has the right ideas: long runtime, universal compatibility, and smart navigation. When it works, customers seem genuinely happy. However, the reliability issues are concerning. I'm giving this 3.5 out of 5 stars. Great features when it functions properly, but quality control seems inconsistent. Here's where things get interesting. The Hyper Surfer S2 is basically the Tesla of pool skimmers, loaded with tech and priced accordingly. This thing is running dual charging modes, solar power during the day, plus a backup DC adapter for cloudy days. We're talking up to 35 hours of continuous operation. But what really sets it apart is the smart obstacle avoidance system. Dual sensors and Hyper's smart algorithms help it navigate around pool steps, ladders, and other obstacles without getting stuck. The app control is next level. You can start cleaning, set schedules, steer it remotely, and even get alerts if it encounters problems. Plus, it has an adjustable chlorine dispenser that slowly releases chlorine tablets while it cleans. The 150 micron filtration captures incredibly fine particles, and the anti-stuck design with retractable columns means it rarely gets trapped. Premium features deliver premium results. Users love the app functionality and the fact that it truly runs 24/7 without intervention. The obstacle avoidance works surprisingly well, and the chlorine dispenser is a nice bonus for water chemistry. Build quality feels solid with UV-resistant materials, and AIPER's customer service has a good reputation in the industry. The downside: you're paying premium prices for a surface skimmer. At around $350, this costs more than some full pool cleaning robots. The app, while functional, can be a bit basic compared to what you'd expect at this price point. Who it's best for? You're the ideal customer if you want the most advanced surface cleaning technology, and budget isn't your primary concern. You love smart home integration, and you want something that truly operates independently. The Hyper Surfer S2 is impressive tech, but you're paying a premium for features that some people might not need. I'm giving this 4 out of 5 stars. Excellent performance and features, but the price-to-value ratio keeps it from being perfect. Finally, we've got the heavyweight champion, the Dolphin Nautilus CC. This is from Maytronics, the company that basically invented robotic pool cleaning over 40 years ago. This is where we see serious engineering. The wall climbing capability is genuinely impressive. This robot scales pool walls like it's defying gravity. The active scrubbing brush doesn't just vacuum debris. It actually scrubs surfaces clean. The plug-and-play design means no complicated setup. Plug it in, drop it in the pool, and press start. 2 hours later, you've got a spotless pool. The top-load filter basket is genius for maintenance. No need to flip the robot over or struggle with complicated latches. Just pop the top and rinse the filter. With a 60-foot tangle-free cord, it reaches every corner of pools up to 50 feet, and the smart navigation ensures complete coverage regardless of pool shape. This is where Dolphin's experience shows. Customers consistently praise the thoroughness of cleaning and the wall climbing ability. One reviewer said that after struggling with manual cleaning for years, the Nautilus made pool maintenance actually enjoyable. The build quality is solid, parts are readily available, and Maytronics has an established service network if you need repairs. However, there are some notable limitations. The newer CC models removed the weekly timer feature that customers loved. No waterline cleaning means you'll still need to scrub that area manually. And being corded means cable management and potential tangling. Who it's best for? You're perfect for this if you want proven technology from the industry leader. You have an in-ground pool that needs serious wall and floor cleaning, and you don't mind dealing with a cord for the sake of reliability and power. The Dolphin Nautilus CC represents decades of refinement in pool cleaning technology. It's not perfect, but it's reliable and effective. I'm giving this 4 out of 5 stars. Excellent cleaning performance and wall climbing, but missing some modern conveniences and waterline cleaning. So here's the bottom line. The Gosver is your budget-friendly entry point for flat pools. The Beta SE dominates surface cleaning with solar power. The Starrybot offers versatility when it works reliably. The Aper Surfer S2 brings premium surface cleaning tech. And the Dolphin Nautilus CC delivers proven performance for serious pool cleaning. Your choice really depends on your pool type, budget, and what kind of cleaning you need. Surface skimmers are great for preventing problems, but full floor cleaners handle the deep cleaning. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.